Heavenly Father, I come before you today with faith in my heart, trusting in your power and your goodness. Lord, I ask you to make a way where there seems to be no way. Open doors that align with your will for my life, and give me the wisdom to recognize the opportunities you place before me. Remove every obstacle that is standing in the way of my progress. Where there has been delay, bring movement. Where there has been confusion, bring clarity. Where there has been disappointment.
A Bible prayer video in 2026. You need to be strategic if you really want to go viral or start having that massive views in a short while. Now, we are going to come to ChatGPT because we are using AI for everything. So we are going to come to ChatGPT. We can use ChatGPT, we can use Claude, we can use Gemini, but I always prefer to use ChatGPT for this. So this is the prompt that I'm going to be dropping. So you can decide to copy this prompt out. So I'm going to drop this prompt. So this is if you are starting all over again. Even if you have been doing it, you can also watch this. It's going to help you. So I said, I want to start a Bible prayer channel in 2026. Can you give me best niches that can blow up in 2026? So I'm going to send this and let's wait for ChatGPT to give it to us. So these are the niches that ChatGPT gave. You can see that he gave these niches with stars. Like he said, 10 Bible prayer niches to consider in 2026. So you can see the ranking. So the first one is money prayers. You can see it's having 5 stars, and why it can work. It has huge daily search. Viewers can return every single morning. Then the next one is night prayer, which is also sleep prayers. It also has 5 stars, and why it can work. Strong repeat viewing and relaxing long form content. Now the next one is prayer for breakthroughs and open doors. It also has 5 stars, which is high emotional specific need. That's why it can work. Now we have the prayer against fear and anxiety. So this is another niche, which is the 4th niche. It also has 5 star. Then why it can work. Evergreen problem people actively seek prayer for. Then the next one is Bible verses plus prayer, which is, it also has 5 star, combines Bible content with prayer rather than praying alone. So then the 6th one is prayer for family and children. This one has just 4 stars. Then it has strong emotion and repeat audience. Then we have prayer for financial provision. This one also has 4 stars. We have healing and strength prayers. It has 4 stars. We have psalm-based prayers. It has 4 stars. Then we have 30 minutes / 1 hour prayer and worship. It has 4 stars. So we are going to choose from these ones that have 5 stars. Already you know that the ones that have 5 stars are the ones that are likely to get massive views. Now we are going to go into the night prayer / sleep prayers. So I'm going to copy this one, which is the night prayer. I can also decide to go for prayer for breakthrough and open doors. So the reason why I'm not choosing the morning prayer is because I've done a lot of videos on morning prayer. So I want to choose a different niche. So I can also decide to. So this prayer for breakthrough and open doors is also a very good niche. So I can also decide to go for that. All I just need to do is to come here and I'm going to copy it. So I'll just copy the title. Now I'm going to come here and say, so I'm going to drop this prompt. Give me 30 days titles ideas for this niche. Prayer for breakthrough and open doors. So you are going to copy that niche that you want to go into. If it is the psalm-based niche, the healing and strength, the prayer for financial provision, any niche at all that you choose, if it is the bedtime or sleep prayer niche or the morning prayer niche. So you are going to paste it and say, give me 30 days title ideas. See, AI already knows what is working in that particular niche. It already knows that particular niche those titles are already getting views, or titles are going to give you views. So like I said, we are using AI for every single thing. Now we are going to send that, and we are going to wait for ChatGPT to give us those titles that we want for the next 30 days. So this is the first one. We have week 1, we have the pray this powerful prayer for breakthrough and open doors today. We have week 2, financial and career breakthrough. We have week 3, breaking barriers and delays. We have week 4, major breakthrough and new beginnings. Then final 2 days, big emotional and emotional topics. So we are going to come to day 1. So let's assume today is day 1. So this is day 1. So we are going to copy this title for day 1, and we are going to come to this down part, and we are going to paste it. So we are going to paste it, and the next thing we'll do is to tell ChatGPT, write a short prayer script for the title above. If the title is below, you can say below. So I'm using this for this tutorial, and I don't want a very long script. If you want your script to be long, maybe you want to create like 10 minutes, 20, 30, or even 50 or 1 hour long video, you know that you need a very long prayer script. I also have a video on my channel on how to create long Bible prayer videos. You can go and watch that video. So I want it to be short because I'm using it for this tutorial. So I'm just going to send this, then I'm going to wait for ChatGPT to generate all this prayer script for me. So you can see, Heavenly Father, I come before you. So we are going to copy this particular script. You can see that it's very, very short, very, very short. So we are going to copy this. So we'll copy this. Now, once we are done with that, we are going to go over to the text to speech tool we are going to use to generate our script. So we are going to be converting this script into audio. So let's head over to our browser. So once you get to your browser, you're going to search for Gen AI Pro. I'm also going to drop the link in the description. You can use the link in my description to access this particular text-to-speech tool so that you don't get the wrong ones, because there are a lot of Gen AI Pro now that I see when I try to use the browser. So let's go back and search for it again. So in case you don't get this accurate one, you can check my description. I'm going to drop the exact link for Gen AI Pro so that you don't miss it. So this is the particular one I'm going to be using, this Gen AI Pro. Now you are going to click on start for free. So once you click on start for free, you are going to sign up, and immediately you sign up, they are going to give you 10,000 free credits. So 10,000 free credits. Now, once you are done with that, you are going to come to this place where they wrote AI voiceover. So you click on that AI voiceover. So you are going to let it load. Now you are going to come to this place where they wrote English United States. Don't touch anything there, you can leave it because we want to use English United States. Now you come to this place, then once you click on that place they wrote Adam Dominant, you are going to look for the voice that you would like to use. So you can just decide to check out all these voices that are here and see the one that you prefer to use. Then you select the voice that you would like to use. So let's see this one.
Sharing the same scene.
So let's see that one. So if it is that one that you want, just try and navigate it and see the one that you prefer. So let's say I want to use that or this one.
A single rose can be my garden. Single friend.
So let's use this one. So we have selected the voice. Now we'll come to this place where they wrote speed, style, stability, similarity, and speaker boost. So we'll go to this speed. Then we are going to reduce it to 85, 0.85, 0.85, because we want it to be slow. It is a prayer audio and we don't want it to be too fast. So we are going to come to this box and we are going to paste our prayer script. So once you paste your prayer script, you are going to remove this topic, the title that is there. So you are going to remove the title and it's going to start from the prayer. So now you are going to click on generate speech. So let's wait for it to generate our script for us. So let's wait for it to turn it into audio. So now in few seconds, in less than 2 seconds, it's going to be done. It's always very fast. Now we are going to come to this place and click on download. Click on download. So you are going to download the audio to your device. So let's wait for it to download. You can see that it has downloaded to our device. So once you open it, you are going to see it here. This is it. So
Heavenly Father,
it's just 1 minute script, because like I said, I want it to be short because I'm using it just for the tutorial. Now we are going to come back to ChatGPT. Now we are done generating our audio. The next thing that we need is our visuals. We need visuals for this. Now what we are going to do is to tell ChatGPT to generate just three. We'll say generate three, because the video is short, that's why it's 3. So if it is long, it can be up to 10 or 20 or even 30. So generate 3 image prompts for this. So you are going to send this, and let's wait for ChatGPT to generate it for us. So it's just 3. You can see now. All you just need to do is to copy them, and we are going to take them to. We are going to be using text to video for this to generate it. We don't need to generate any image, so we'll just take them to our tool, our AI tool. Like I said, we are using AI for everything there, and it's going to start generating our videos for us. So now you go to your browser and search for Google Vids. It's Google Vids. So you search for it. So you are going to see it is this first one here. This first one, Google Vids AI powered video creator and editor. So you are going to come. You are going to click on sign in to Vids. So once you click on sign in to Vids, you are going to sign in with your email address, or you can sign up with your email address. So now it's going to show you this interface. Always make sure that your device is on landscape mode if you are not using a laptop. Now, if your video is for long form YouTube video, it's going to be on landscape mode. You can see at the top here, it's showing landscape mode, landscape, portrait, and square. So we are using landscape because it's for long form video. Then you are going to make sure it's here, it's on view 3.1. Then you click on get started. Now once you click on get started, it's going to bring you to this interface. So you can generate up to 10 videos in a day. Then if you have other emails, you can switch to other email. You can generate up to 10 videos for free in a day. Now you are going to come to this place. So at the down part, you are going to zoom it. If you are not seeing this place, just zoom it. Then you come to this place, you see create, edit, animate. So we did not generate picture, so we are going to go over to create. So click on create, then you click on it. Then you are going to start pasting your prompt. So let's paste our first prompt. So let's go to our clipboard and paste our first prompt. Then we are going to click on, immediately we paste it, we are going to come to this place and click on it, generate. So wait for it to generate. So you can see that it's generating. So as that one is generating, you don't need to wait because we don't have much time. So you come here and you are going to delete this one. So we are going to delete this and generate the next prompt. So we are going to generate the next prompt. So this is the next prompt. Generate. So you click on generate. So they are generating. We're just going to let them generate. So as the other one is generate, you come here again. Like I said, you don't need to wait for everything to finish generating before you generate the next one. So this is the next one, which is the last one. Like I said, I'm only using just 3 prompts because the video is not long. Now this is it. So now this is the video. All I just need to do is to click on the video and it's going to download to my device. So this is the first one. Let me click on download video. So you can see that one has downloaded. So that's how we are going to download everything. So now once we are done with that, we are going to come to CapCut. So you are going to come to CapCut and you are going to import all the videos that you generated. You are going to import them. So now once you import it, you are just going to zoom it a little to remove that view watermark from the video. So just zoom it a little and it's going to remove it from it. So this is it. So this is the video. Now once you are done with that, you are going to come to this place and click on audio. Look for audio on CapCut. Go to audio, go to sound. Now you are going to go to your device and you are going to look for that audio that we generated.
trusting in your power and your goodness.
So this is it. You are going to click on this plus button and it's going to import into your CapCut. So this is it. You are just going to increase the video.
Heavenly Father.
Now what you are going to do next is to make sure you mute, click on mute to mute the audio coming from the video that you generated with Google Vid. So you click on mute. Now another thing I'm going to be adding is I'm going to go back to my CapCut and I'm going to put in emotional sound. I normally use this emotional sound for another video. I'm going to do a video on how to create emotional sound. So this is it. I'm going to add in my emotional sound to it.
Heavenly Father, I come before you today with faith in my heart, trusting in your power and your goodness.
So this is it. Now I'm just going to cut out the part that I don't want. So I don't want this part because I don't want it to be long. So this is it. I'll cut out this part. I'll delete it, cut out the part. Now, after I'm done with this, the next thing I'll do is to add in my auto captions. So I'm going to add in my auto captions to it so that what it's saying is going to be writing it out. So you are going to click on generate. So let's wait for our auto caption to generate. Now, once it is done generating, you are going to go to style,
Heavenly Father.
So you are going to look for the style that you prefer. Any of this style that you want, you can add it to it. So let's say I want this particular style. I'm going to add it to it.
Heavenly Father, I come before you today with faith in my heart.
So now this is it. Now the next thing you are going to do is to add in your channel name. So let's say my channel name is Breakthrough Prayers. So I'm going to come to test. Then I'm going to write Breakthrough Prayers. So always make sure to add your channel name to it. Breakthrough Prayers. Then I'm going to look for the style that I want to use. So this is the style. So I'm going to zoom it a little. I don't want it to be too wide. So I'm going to bring it to the top here. So I'm going to bring it to the top like this. Now, I'm going to zoom it to the last place. So I'm going to take it to the last part. Now let's play our video and see how the video is looking.
Heavenly Father, I come before you today with faith in my heart, trusting in your power and your goodness. Lord, I ask you to make a way where there seems to be no way. Open doors that align with your will for my life, and give me the wisdom to recognize the opportunities you place before me. Remove every obstacle that is standing in the way of my progress. Where there has been delay, bring movement. Where there has been confusion, bring clarity. Where there has been disappointment.
So this is it. Now, once you are done with this, all you just need to do is to export your video. Now your video is ready. So if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. If you have any video you want me to record, also let me know concerning the Bible prayer niche. I'm going to do a detailed video on that. So we are going to click on export and we are going to export our video. So thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in my next one.